Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Point 4 ways soaking oats overnight improves nutrient absorption. Soaking oats overnight can improve nutrient absorption and digestibility in several ways. 1. Breaks down phytic acid, an antinutrient that reduces absorption of minerals like iron, zinc, magnesium, and calcium. 2. Preserves nutrients like soluble fiber and B vitamins that can be lost through high heat cooking. 3. Enhances digestibility by breaking down difficult to digest fibers like beta-glucan. 4. Increases resistant starch, a type of carbohydrate that provides health benefits like improving digestion and reducing blood sugar spikes. Regardless of preparation, eating oats can provide health benefits like reducing the risk of chronic diseases, improving immune function, and promoting better gut health. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak